We're in Perris, California. We're actually in the main headquarters for Eastern Municipal Water District. This is one of the larger water districts in Riverside County, and we have a building that extends over 100,000 square feet. We have over 300 employees here, engineers, technicians, mechanics. As you can imagine, we're in the Inland Empire in Riverside County. Our energy consumption, certainly at this one location alone, is several $1 million a year. We do try to manage our summer peaks especially, and what's been very helpful is through these Capstone MicroTurbines, we've been able to shave some of the peak demands, and so we've been able to level out our energy consumption. And on occasion, we're able to provide all the energy that we need to operate this facility.
The microturbines behind were installed in 2002 and since then have generated 8 million kilowatt hours. The microturbines are powered by natural gas. We have a compressor that takes 30 psi and brings it up to 80 psi to meet the gas pressure requirement for the microturbines. We have one system that uses 8 microturbines that provide heat into an absorption chiller that uses the exhaust heat to warm water to cool our building.
It was a huge benefit for them because they were able to reduce their power consumption from an old electric chiller to this new absorption chiller.
Our absorption chiller has much more capacity than we have the ability to put heat into it right now. So the more waste heat we can capture, the more tonnage we can get out of that chiller, and the more we can reduce our utility usage.
We also have a unit that we use to provide heat to a powder coating system.
There we need a very dependable power supply for this need where we can use the heat in the powder coating of some of the valves and other equipment that we need to put in the field.
Basically provide a clean exhaust output. We just direct the exhaust right into the oven and it's already the right temperature. We generate enough power to offset during peak times about 1/3 of our usage. And during off-peak times and evening times, we can actually produce more than we use. And the turbines are controlled by the Capstone power server, and to basically have a zero utility kilowatt-hour usage during those time periods.
From a strictly cost standpoint, it makes a lot of sense. We're able to become more efficient, but also more self-reliant. As we develop more of our own energy resources, we can depend less on the grid itself for our energy needs.